Between the time when the oceans drank Atlantis and the rise of the sons of Arius, there was an age undreamed of. And unto this Conan, destined to bear the jeweled crown of Aquilonia upon a troubled brow. It is I, his chronicler, who alone can tell thee of his saga. Let me tell you of the days of high adventure. I'm a wizard, mind you. This place is kept by powerful gods and spirits of kings. I'm my flesh, and you will have to deal with the dead. You summon demon wizard? Yes! I swear that I would summon a demon more ferocious than you already have. So did Conan return the wayward daughter of King Osric to her home, and having no further concern, he and his companions sought adventure in the west. Many wars and feuds did Conan fight, honor and fear were heaped upon his name. In time, he became a king by his own hand,